Oh my goodness. This is gonna be... Oh, it's kind of a mess in here. There we go. My wife asked me what I wanted for Father's Day. Now, normally, maybe I would ask for a replacement riding lawnmower or a new tool or perhaps, I don't know, a sound system, but I said I wanted a book of photos. I've been following this guy, Joshua, online for a couple months now, and it's incredible the work he's doing. He is taking photos, but at the same time capturing with video and through interviews and through writing the stories of these people. And initially, I thought that the project was like historical, or I legit thought it was like a publicly funded historical documentation, kind of more fact-based. And it is very factual in its execution, but it's so much more than just history. It's people stories, which I think is why I'm so drawn to it. I'm going to open it with you guys. We'll see what we got. I have high hopes because the videos that Joshua produces, even the short form content, is incredible. Oh my goodness. This is going to be... This is great. It's really shiny, but you know what? Let's just open it. You know what? Oh, it's a very important book. Wow, here. It's stories of people who live in New York City in the original artist lofts, and boy, it's just beautiful on the inside. This is just the inside cover. Oh, even that first picture. Look at that. That is gorgeous. When I was a teenager, Joshua says, I had a habit of sneaking into skyscrapers across New York City. I would climb to the rooftops to photograph the city from new perspectives. And this is how he ends up discovering the Loft law, which allows these people... Oh, this is just... He explains the history of how these people came to own these apartments. And then he gets access to their homes to photograph them in their artist residencies. And the reason... Oh, gosh. One of the biggest reasons, to be honest with you, that I got this book is it tells you a story. Like, it would take a set designer months and an unlimited budget to come up with a story captured in a single frame like this, like on a movie or on artistic photography or directorial, editorial photography. But like, this is this woman's life in this photo. I can't wait to just read through it. These are just incredible. And the great thing about this is, like, it's not Joshua, he's not trying to convince you of anything. He's not trying to promote anything, although these artists do get, obviously, publicity, which is great. But he's trying to tell people stories. And that is why I'm drawn to it so much. So, man, this is special, and this is going in the library, and it's not leaving. So, all right, thank you for opening my Father's Day present with me. if you like New York City, if you like art, if you like history, but more importantly, if you like people, check it out, Loft Law. I'll tag Joshua below. But yeah, I mean, look at even just the back. Yeah. This is it right here.